Hello everybody, my name is Mohammed Amin Ibrahim, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to host your website on GitHub Pages. Okay, so what you need is that you need to understand the basics of Git or and GitHub, not just an advanced but the basics. And even if you don't understand, we are not going to write a whole lot of commands today. We are going to do simple very things very simple and straightforward. So all you need is that you need to download Git. Okay, so you go to Google, then you search for Git, then you select this link over here, so Git download. Then depending on your operating system, whether you're on Mac, Windows or Linux, then you select it, then you go to download. I have already installed it, so there's no need for me to install it again. And it's very simple. It's very simple, just like how you install any other software on your system. Now, what is GitHub Pages? Now, GitHub Pages is it gives you the opportunity to host your website right from your repository, your GitHub repository. So what is a GitHub repository? Now, over here you see there's a lot of folders over here. Take a repository as a folder. It's basically a folder where you put your project inside on GitHub. So all these are my repos. Okay, all these are my repos. So you see over here it's saying that Mohammed Amin movie app with Node. So this is a project that I did with Node.js with APIs. So the folder name is what Mohammed Amin, and the project inside is what movie app with Node. All these things combine and forms the name. Okay, so take it as a folder that you have all your projects inside on GitHub. So how do you create a repo? Very simple. Over here you click on new. Okay, new. Now you give it a name. Okay, so let's get a name for it. Let's say web page. Okay, web page. Good. So let's give a description first. Time with GitHub Pages. Okay, good. Now we leave this guy as public. Then don't you can choose to click on this or not, but just leave it for now. Then you go to create repository. Okay, good. It will take some few seconds, then you are actually good to go. So at this page, what you do is that they'll give you some commands that you for you to run to create your new repository and how to push and pull. Okay, so I think I'll also upload some videos on Git and GitHub for you to also get more understanding of it. So we need to copy this code. Okay, you copy this code here. Just copy it. Now I'll go to my desktop. Okay, I'll go to my desktop. Then over here I'll open git bash. Okay, I'll open git bash, then I'll say git. Okay, or let's create a folder. So I'm going to say make directory. This is a command for creating folder. I'll call it web page. Okay, good. cd web page, that is enter into web page folder. Good. So I'm going to say git clone. So the clone, this command basically means that make a copy of the folder we created on GitHub, the repository we created from GitHub. So I'll paste it over here, right click and paste, then I'll hit enter. Okay, so cloning into web page. Then it says that you appear to have cloned an empty repository. So right now we need to create a file inside. Okay, we need to create a file inside. So I'm going to say that cd, that's change directory, cd, then I'll say web page. Okay, that's the folder we've cloned. Okay, so now we are into that. So I'm going to say echo. So I'm going to create an index file, an index of HTML file. So I will say I will say hello world. Then I'll give it an index of HTML. Good. Index.html. Then I'm good to go. So when you go to the folder over there, web page, you will see another. This is the one we cloned. You enter, then you see index.html. So let's see what we will do next. Good. So now we need to push this folder back to GitHub so that we can set our GitHub pages. So to do that, this is the code for push. So git add all. Okay, so we are adding all. Then the next command is git commit. Okay, -m. Now give a comment. Okay, so you say initial commit. It can be anything, it can be like first commit or whatever. Okay, so after that command, the last one is git push. Push -u origin. The origin should be master. Okay, so when we dive in more with Git and GitHub, we look at how we can create branches, and we understand master and branches and a whole lot. So we put it, hit enter, then some few seconds it will take effect. So let's see. Good. So we are good to go. So I'll go back to my GitHub, then I'll refresh the page like this. So we have index.html over here. Good. So now let's set our GitHub pages so that we can visit it as a website. So you go to settings. Over here you locate settings, then you scroll down, you find GitHub pages. So it says that GitHub pages is designed to host your personal, organization or project pages from GitHub. Okay, from your GitHub repository. So we haven't set it so far, so we click on this button over here. You can also choose a theme. They have some basic theme that you can select, but that's not the goal for this video. So I'll go to none, then I'll select master branch. Okay, good. So when you select it, it will refresh it itself. Then you scroll down again, you will find a link. So they are saying that mohammadaminIbrahim.github.io/pages. So this is the link to get to visit that particular website you created. Okay, so let's click on it, and you see we have hello world over there. So basically this is how to set your website. So you can host your website on GitHub pages like myself. When you visit my Twitter account, you see that I have my link over here, mohammadaminIbrahim.github.io/portfolio. So you can click on it, then you can visit it. This is a very basic HTML portfolio. As a developer, as a emerging developer, as a junior developer, all these things will help you get ready to fit into the job market. So basically this is how we set things for our GitHub pages. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.